Good morning, Bowtie. David for Bowtie Life on YouTube. Please subscribe. I'm out here at our devastated, or what looks like a devastated pepper bed. However, despite all the leaves being damaged by the cold weather we just had, and now we're warming up, it is not a bad thing. Last year we did this, the year before we did this. This is going to be year 3 for this bed. Basically, we're coming in, cutting it down to where we see green, and we will be fine. This thing will grow back, hopefully, and become a whole new pepper bed again and produce us dozens and dozens of pounds of good hot peppers. Please subscribe to see the progress in this bed for our monthly garden tours. Have a blessed day.